Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Lutz Hörnschemeyer and today I would like to talk about the Aquaphon A50. The Aquaphon A50 marks the entry level to professional acoustic water leak detection. The Aquaphon A50 set is delivered in a backpack. This backpack is very pleasant to carry and it is very suitable for transport in a car or even when driving through the cities on a motorbike. The main component of the system is the Aquaphon A50 receiver itself. It can be carried with a carrying strap. The universal microphone UM50 belongs to the set as well. For using the UM50 while pre-locating water leaks, a test tip and two extensions are at hand. Alternatively, the tripod can be connected to the UM50 so that you have a ground microphone available for pinpointing leaks on the surface. As an option, the UM50 can be covered with a wind protection foam. The UM50 can be easily carried using the cable clip. The leak noise will be transferred from the receiver A50 to the wireless headphone F8. Both the headphone as well as the receiver A50 can be recharged using the AC/DC adapter. The Aquaphon A50, compact, efficient and always on hand.